Okay, no further question, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, baka kung makalimutan, baka nakalimutan ko na eh. Gusto ko lang tanungin si Ms. Abaya dito. Meron ba kayong CCTV?
Meron po, Mr. Chair.
Merong CCTV nandun mismo sa pag-withdraw ng pera.
Yes po.
CCTV yan, correct? So makikita nyo ngayon yung mga tao sa CCTV na nag-withdraw, correct?
Yes, Mr.
I'd like to
Chair.
make a motion, Mr. Chair, that they submit to us a CCTV. In which during the withdrawal.
Na-move na yan kanina pa, Mr. Chairman. This representation moved for the land bank to submit that CCTV.
Para wala na tayong question
Vote.
dito. Kasi mukhang hindi alam ni Tony Sanchez eh. Palagay ko, Mr. Chair, medyo